Everyone, this is the 1/18 scale BBI Elite Force MH-6 Little Bird Night Stalker, as seen in the film Black Hawk Down, where it provided cover for all the Black Hawks. The little bird comes with a figure, as usual, a BBI figure similar to this one, but in tan, as you can see inside. It comes with the night vision helmet with the microphone, and I believe that's like a battery pack at the back of his head. Identical to this, but as I said, in the sand colour. The helicopter is highly detailed with the usual high standard from BBI, with rivets and also scuff marks all along the side of the helicopter, with all the numbering and the identification that it's United States of America. Also, that I presume that red arrow would be a danger sign, and there's like a simulated LED at the back. The rear rotor spins, which looks quite nice when it spins, the red. The main rotors also spin quite freely. You have two tow missiles on either side of the helicopter. Unfortunately there's not really much detailing on the exhaust, but nevertheless it's quite a highly detailed helicopter. It's got some nice phrases on it as well. Death waits in the dark, and also a nice Stalker insignia on the front here. There you go. And similar on this side, the death waits in the dark. You see that there, a bit dark. It also comes with the rappelling bars, which are here, one at either side, and here, and here's the other twin tow missile. Inside we can see there's a fire extinguisher, and the detailing is quite good on the instrument panel. It's hard to see. There you go. You got your two sticks for the pilot to fly. The back is not really made for carrying people on the inside. But as you can see, the pilot's able to hold two stick levers, which is really good. I believe this thing at the back here could be an aerial, and you've got a few antenna here, one on the other side there, two on the belly of the helicopter, and it also comes with benches, which I'll show you in a minute. Here we can see I've attached the benches, one on either side. These are to allow the soldiers access to get in and out and be carried into awkward situations. Here we can see I've added two soldiers to this side with their weapons ready to take off and disembark. And also you've got a further two on this side, so this helicopter theoretically could hold 6 soldiers, including the pilot. The propeller's got really nice detailing on it. and also it sits quite high, which is quite good. For size comparison, I'll actually compare it to the Black Hawk in olive drab. You can see that it's in true scale with the size of the Black Hawk. And also if we compare it to the M113 APC, also in 18 scale, you can see all three look pretty good together. As usual, BBI provides some basic instructions which can be seen here. Basically how to assemble the rotors, armaments, bench. There should have also been a grappling hook with 2 ropes, but unfortunately this didn't come with mine. So if you do find this and you enjoyed the film Black Hawk Down, then I would seriously consider getting this, because as most of you may know, BBI doesn't really produce much 1/18 scale models anymore, especially of military stuff. They've only done the Black Hawk and I think the F-18 and F-16. These ones haven't been done, and I'm not sure whether they are going to do them, but they are really good in detail. You might be able to just see it says danger, keep away, which is obviously a safety feature for anyone going near it. So with that, I'll speak to you guys